Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable vehicle claim scheduling with Geico app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Geico app on your mobile device. Sign in to your account using your credentials. On the main dashboard, locate the claims option. Tap on claims to access the claims section. Look for the file a claim or schedule a claim button. Select the button to proceed with scheduling your vehicle claim. You will be prompted to provide details regarding the incident. Enter the date and time of the incident. Fill out any required information about the accident, including location and type of damage. After entering the details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Continue or Next to proceed. You may now be given options for preferred claim handling methods. Select the method that suits your preference, whether that's a phone call, in-person appointment, or online communication. Review any additional information or steps provided by the app. Finally, submit your claim scheduling request. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your scheduled claim. If you have questions, check the help section of the app or contact customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.